U President ka Nationalist Congress Party usalang sangma ubadeiru u MLA ka gambagre uloong makade ka Kamram Jong ka Liang Pyrshah ban kentho ya ka jingtrekam Jong Sorkar habakran bagilap thai Khubor uloong bawala ka Trinamool Congress ka kentho harukom ya ka Sorkar hande khaddu de upajba hi uban rai.
You cannot say every opposition ruling they used to have this kind of aggressive movement every now and then. But some of them they come up with a nice result, some of them they don't. So you just cannot predict, especially it depends on how and what people will choose, because everything depends on people only.
Haga juga por usaleng ulang ru baka NCP kabu hakmat ya kapuli kakot kakia badru ban plelan ya kisamla hakasengkam na Jong.
I'm saying once the education comes up, then automatically people will know how to do, like what to do, what not to do, all those things will definitely, they will have the idea of concern actually on their own. And moreover, if they are passionate about anything, they can choose their own, because right now we are not having the, like enough educations to fill them with the ideas. The scope we cannot give.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.